again, day 2. DisneySea. I went to Magic Kingdom 2 days ago on Sunday. It was very crowded, but we got everything done.
Our next stop is Tokyo Disneyland Station.
There's the Magic Kingdom over there, Space Mountain. To go to DisneySea, you have to get on the monorail, and you have to pay for it. But what are you gonna do? No big deal. It's pretty cool to go to the monorail. The monorail looks very luxurious. A lot of standing room. Goes all the way back, unlike the one in Florida, Disneyland. Line looks huge to get in. It's a bad sign. I don't know, it's more crowded than Sunday.
Please exit to the left.
The lines look huge. I don't know what the deal is. There's a lot of people out today. Maybe they're a class trip or something. I don't know what the deal is. It was the lines in the morning were just crowded. I think I'm here a little earlier, so let's see. DisneySea isn't as big. Cool thing is too, you can sit right in the front too. So. There's no driver up here. There's the volcano. Parking lot's empty. How many people? Not that many cars in
We are now arriving at Bayside Station. Please disembark here for the Tokyo Disney Resort official hotels and Tokyo Bay NK Hall. Please exit to the left. Our next stop is Tokyo DisneySea Station.
They're building a couple new rides. No Tower of Terror's going in here, and a roller coaster. Oh, there's the Tower of Terror over there. You can't miss that. It's pretty amazing. They make you go all the way around for the DisneySea. They make it easy. Volcano looks pretty amazing. There's the big boat. There's the tower. A tower, it looks like. It's gotta be a tower too. I don't think. Well, I made it in. It wasn't that long. Pluto, Mickey, Minnie, all getting bombarded by the Japanese people. It's pretty funny. He's so funny. I think he's starting to bail. Going in. Here's the Mira Costa Hotel where Josephine stayed. Very cool when you walk in. The volcano's in the arch where you walk in. It's active. Explodes every once in a while. It's awe-inspiring. You walk in and see the volcano. Awe-inspiring, yes. Very cool. They say that you come here for the scenery, not as necessarily as the rides. There's the typical peace sign pose Japanese people do right there. Oh, they're all doing it. It is unbelievable. Looks like it's about to erupt.